Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to start a transportation business in the USA. Whether you're interested in owning a taxi service, a delivery company, or even starting your own ride-sharing platform, we're here to help you navigate this exciting journey. Step 1. Research and planning. Familiarize yourself with the transportation industry in the USA. Identify your target market, assess the competition, and determine the services you want to provide. This research will lay the foundation for your business. Step 2. Business registration. Register your transportation business with the appropriate authorities. Obtain the necessary licenses, permits, and insurance required to legally operate your business. Compliance is crucial to operate within the legal framework. Step 3. Secure vehicles. Acquire the right vehicles for your transportation business. Consider factors like size, fuel efficiency, and any special features required for your chosen field. Remember, your vehicles are the backbone of your business. Step 4. Build a reliable team. Hire professional and reliable staff members who are skilled in providing excellent customer service. Your team will ensure the smooth operation of your transportation business and create positive experiences for your customers. Step 5. Marketing and promotion. Create a strong brand identity for your transportation business. Utilize social media, websites, and traditional marketing channels to generate awareness and attract potential customers. Step 6. Provide exceptional service. Go the extra mile to exceed customer expectations. Deliver prompt, reliable, and safe transportation services. Customer satisfaction is key to maintaining a loyal client base and attracting new customers through referrals. Step 7. Network and collaborate. Establish partnerships with other businesses in your area. Collaborate with hotels, event planners, and local organizations to increase your customer base and explore new opportunities. Thanks for watching our guide on starting a transportation business in the USA. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Good luck on your journey to becoming a transportation business master.